Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Spring Boot developers face upgrading to a new version of Spring Boot and encountering failures in REST template methods. If you've ever struggled with this problem, you're not alone. Upgrading to a new version of any framework can be daunting, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's going on and how to resolve these issues. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Spring Boot upgrades and explore why REST template methods might fail after an upgrade. We'll break down the key concepts involved and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to troubleshoot and fix these problems. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle any Spring Boot upgrade issue that comes your way. So, what happens when we upgrade our Spring Boot application? Well, one of the main issues that can arise is related to REST template methods. These methods are used to make HTTP requests to external services, and they're a crucial part of many applications. However, after an upgrade, these methods might start failing, throwing errors like UnknownHostException or ConnectTimeoutException. To understand why this happens, let's take a step back and look at how Spring Boot manages its dependencies. When we upgrade our application, the new version of Spring Boot brings with it a new set of dependencies, including updated versions of libraries like Apache, KTTP Client, and OCTTP. These updated libraries might have changed their behavior or configuration, which can cause issues with our existing REST template method. So, what's the solution? The first step is to identify the problematic method and check its configuration. Are you using a custom HTTP client or OCTTP instance? Have you configured any specific timeouts or connection settings? By reviewing your code and configuration, you might be able to pinpoint the issue and make adjustments accordingly. Another common culprit behind REST template method failures is the absence of certain dependencies in the upgraded version of Spring Boot. You see, for example, if you're using a custom interceptor or filter with your REST templates, you might need to update its configuration or add additional dependencies to your project. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you're upgrading from an old car to a new one. Well, the new car comes with advanced features and improved performance, but it also requires different types of fuel and maintenance. Similarly, when we upgrade our Spring Boot application, we need to ensure that all its components, including REST template methods, are compatible with the new version and configured correctly. So, what are they? From this discussion first, when upgrading your Spring Boot application, be aware of potential issues with REST template methods. Second, review your code and configuration to identify any problematic areas. Third, ensure that all dependencies are up to date and compatible with the new version of Spring Boot. That's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of why REST template methods might fail after upgrading to a new version of Spring Boot. Remember, troubleshooting these issues requires patience and attention to detail. But by following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to resolve them quickly. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on Spring Boot and software development. Why do you think software development? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.